Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a group chat on Instagram. Okay, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and first of all, let's just open our Instagram direct message. So we can tap on this button. Then we're going to tap on this pencil icon right here. And since we want to create a group chat, we can tap on create group chat option. Then you can select some account you would like to add to your group chat. And for example, I'm going to select this account and this account as well. Then after we're done, we can click on create a group chat. Then just wait for a moment. Okay, now the group chat has been created, and if you want to change the group chat name, you can tap on this option. Then you're going to click on change name and photo, and I'm going to change the name. Okay, just wait guys. Okay, and after you're done, you can click on the save button right here. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a group chat on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.